Engine install finalization. So for this session, it was pretty straightforward. I was putting some stuff back on the engine, the alternator, the starter, and the timing belt, and also install the sump guard as well as uh, reinstall the engine mount hardware. I found those bolts that I had been missing in the previous session. Turns out I removed them from the engine, labeled them, and stuck them to some cardboard, and just completely forgot they were there. So I put those back into the engine. They're a little bit shorter than the bolts that I had sourced. I would guess they're probably 25 millimeters long. Um, but I'm still going to use them. The sump guard, the T25 holes are a little bit misaligned with the bottom of the engine. If you just drill it out with a 5/16 bit, it fits perfectly. Um, Also, I retorqued the engine bolts to the correct values that I mentioned in the previous session. And then finally, I tried to change my turn signals to the LED bulbs that I bought, but I couldn't figure out how to remove the original bulbs. I felt like I was twisting on them and pulling on them a little bit too hard, but I talked to my dealer. He says it should be the way to take them out, so I would try them again in a future session.